This has been going on for like fucking 3 to 4 weeks, actually. This is ridiculous. And maybe the coolest thing is that you get a reprieve, like maybe some sun during the day where you can actually do stuff, but it always rains. And then there's days it does this. I just was able to make it to like this fast food place, and I'm stuck here now. I was going to go do stuff. I don't feel like walking around with my tarp everywhere. I tell you, thank goodness for the tarp and the boots. People don't get it about the fancy boots with travelers. They're a year old and they're still somewhat waterproof. I actually put the boot inside a puddle that was up to my calf, and my foot was dry. Yay for fancy boots. Smart investment, because this is fucked. Trying to do stuff before I leave Austin. I've never seen rain like this in my life. It's scary.